Hello, my name is Jay, and welcome back to my Tech Vault. And this is rather going to be an informal video because I have a lot of things that I don't usually say in like the formal scripted videos, and I want to basically go through and say in this video because it's less informal. First off, number one, a lot of people will say stuff like, subscribers mean a lot to them or views mean a lot to them. But something that's really important, and I guess I really like watching grow, is the total amount of minutes watched on this channel. And recently we hit over 2 million minutes watched overall in the whole history of this channel. And that equates to something like almost 4 years worth of watch time through all the videos that I've done. And obviously, only been doing this channel, no, not anywhere close to that, but like a total of 4 years worth of people watching my videos and only spending a much smaller amount than that. It really does mean a lot, and it's really actually cool to see. So I wanted to start this video by kind of saying thank you very much for that. Also, if you're watching this, you probably are a very loyal subscriber, so I appreciate the people that actually watch these videos, because I find that the group that watches these less informal videos are the people that are really supportive, and of course you guys, especially if you're watching this video, I really do appreciate it. So what have I got for today's video? Well, I wanted to start. I was thinking about doing a little bit more of some vlogging style videos, and obviously, I'm not a person that's really into talking about the in-depths of my life or anything like that. I really like to talk about tech stuff, and obviously that's seen through this channel. So I wanted to go through and just kind of talk about what I've been doing on the setup. Things have changed a little bit. I did do a previous video, I think Monday or whatever. And since I don't really have much to talk about, like for hard content wise, like a rumor or something else that's come out recently, I don't actually have the time tonight also to go through and do one of the videos I want to do. I was going to take one of the Intel coolers and throw it on an AMD processor. But since I don't really have the time to do that type of stuff, I wanted to basically go through and just kind of walk you guys through some of the stuff. I really do like, I think these kind of videos will be a lot more, I don't know, less scripted, a little bit more, I guess, more understanding of what I'm kind of like as a person. But I definitely wanted to go through and kind of do these more because I think that it's a little bit more closely with who I am, and not necessarily just this persona that I put on for these videos. So a lot of stuff that I've been working on. Number one, as you can see, I got this finally stabilized. You may see the microphone in the corner right here. That's just so that the audio quality is not complete garbage. So if you don't mind that, I mean, you shouldn't be a problem. So let's go over some of the stuff that I've got here. So first off, I think as you saw this last, everything over here was kind of done. I've got a little bit more stuff, I guess. But as you can see, I've got some more stuff going on over there. I've worked on the computer a little bit more. Everything's kind of fixed up there. But the main thing is I've actually worked on the desk, and the desk is a lot nicer. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like this is a lot more cleaner. I've got some, let's see if you can get over here. I've got a lot of the equipment I have, like the mixer and stuff, all organized and stuff too. So it's a lot nicer. I definitely think it looks a lot cleaner. Other things, ended up switching out the lights though. So the lights are a different shade. They're not like this, I don't know, blue light. It's more of a yellow tinted, which I personally think looks a little bit more cozy in the videos. Obviously, this is not going to be like, I don't know, it's not really like, the bright blue. I think the thing about the bright blue was, it was really like, I don't know, hard on my eyes, and I, would be watching videos, and especially with these other cameras and stuff going around, it was really like bright and stuff, and it really didn't seem like, something that I would even enjoy watching, so that was one of the things that I swapped out as well. Other things, these two cameras over here, I don't know if you guys have seen these are not staying here. I'm getting rid of the tripod. It's completely broken. And so I'm probably going to end up putting a board up here on the top and mounting the cameras up. That way, I'll probably end up putting like one of those arms though on one of those smaller cameras. And that way it can kind of come down here in the videos. Obviously this table likes to bump around and stuff. So that's pretty much that. So basically kind of the workflow that I have is actually sitting, I usually end up putting most of the, my cameras and stuff up here. That's kind of where the video goes on. And then usually everything is, you know, I have a lavalier that I use. I'm not using it at the moment. I've got the whole mic set up. Maybe, you know, get a little bit more into vlogging. But yeah, that's usually what goes on over there. And then, yeah, for the rest of it, though, I ended up putting a lot of the computers down here, though. I don't know if you guys can see this. But I ended up putting a lot of the computers, extra stuff that I have down there. Obviously, those are most of the budget builds, so I don't have a whole crap ton of computers to spare. I do like the boxes. I've got a lot of things organized. So, for example, you know, I think that's the case for the camera. The lavalier that I use, and then extra batteries for the cameras. And then, you know, remote controls for the webcams and stuff, and then just some random cords and stuff. Boxes of, you know, computer stuff, and then I've just got the boxes, and then I've got all the stuff I ended up putting, like graphics cards and, you know, cables and all that stuff in there as well. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with how this is turning out. You know, I went maybe a year with the same, I guess, setup. So it's nice to finally, you know, get things a little bit bigger, do a little nicer things. Since, you know, it's kind of near my birthday. That's kind of what I've been doing. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. And I guess the biggest reason why I'm doing this is, I guess the biggest focus on this, like, fixing this up is kind of so that streaming is a little bit easier. So that, you know, I want to kind of be able to stream a lot of computer builds. And those are actually very nice and they look professional. I've been working a lot on that. I've been doing some testing on that, and I really do like how the streaming stuff's worked out. I got some different software to test out. But yeah, that's mainly the video for today. But I really do appreciate, you know, everyone watching. I also want to say, though, that I really do appreciate the 2 million minutes watched on this channel. That's quite impressive, and I'm kind of really, you know, just happy with that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, we're also getting close to 1 million total views, which is also quite crazy. So that's, yeah, big numbers. So I really do also appreciate that. And yeah, one of my personal goals for this year is getting 500 videos total uploaded. I think we're up to like 380 or something. So it's kind of one of my goals, one of my New Year's resolutions is to get up to 500 videos. Because that's really what I can do, and then everything else is kind of what YouTube wants to do about it. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.